Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install applications on your TCL Android TV. So if you want to install apps, you can simply go to the apps on your top of the screen. So you can go to apps and then you can open Google Play Store. So all of the apps on any Android TV are going to be installed through Google App Store, Google Play Store. From here, if you want to install any application, you can simply open that application. So for example, if I want to install ABC News Live, I can simply open this application by clicking OK on the remote. And right here, I can click on Install button. From here on, it will start to install. And after clicking on Install, it will start to download. And after downloading it, it will install the application in my TCL Android TV. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.